Hello, hello, hello. I'm very excited to show you this new release. If you go ahead and go on your mobile phones, specifically for the Mastering Stock Market course, or you can go ahead and call it, your software now. If you scroll all the way down, you'll see the Advanced Al Stock Trades Terminal. I want you to scroll past that. And what you're going to see now, you're going to see this new thing called Advanced Al Stock Trades Mobile Terminal. Now, there's going to be two softwares here that are available. In the next 6 months, we'll be rolling out newer ones as we transfer to a mobile-friendly version. But I felt like these two were the crux that will allow you to be able to, do some really strong data analysis. Again, sorry if this presentation, my words are kind of messy. I've been up all night programming this, so it was a lot of work. So if we go ahead and hit the Advanced Price Target Software mobile terminal, you can see it automatically opens up a full screen mode for you, right? Full screen mode, fully immersive, very high quality, Apple-like, right? Sounds like Peter. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit Clove, and we're going to hit Enter. And what it does is it automatically pulls in the data for Clove. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of put in some things that, I'm going to put, let's say free cash flow of 80, and I'm just going to put a growth rate of 23%. And by doing that, you see, base, recession, bear, base, and best. Let's hit the best case, and you can see it adjusts to $9. Bear case, $4. But the cool part is, let's say you go to the base case and you hit this thing called Advanced Matrix. It shows you an Advanced Matrix like, which shows you kind of the price range, 438 to 977 for that specific base case. Now, if you want to go up to the top and hit Classic View, you'll basically get a beautiful classic view, very high quality, incredibly beautiful, calculates the margin of safety. And what I like about here is you now can look at the 10 years or 10 quarters, and you could just scroll horizontally, just beautifully, elegantly look at the revenue, net income, operating cash flow, free cash flow. You can highlight so you know which one you're looking at. If you forget the equation, you can click on this to show you the equation. And then here's the metrics for the 5-year growth, 3-year growth, a year-over-year growth. Here are your beautiful graphs. You can, hide a couple of them, and you could switch to line. You can hide those and just, look at just free cash flow. And you can see kind of when it turned positive there, right? You could switch back to line, right? And then you can obviously go to quarters and get that data. And then now you have quarter data, right? So very incredible. Now, well, my favorite part is let's say you want to send this to your, cohort, right? And you want to say, hey, I found a triple dragon or whatever. You hit the screenshot button. It'll generate a report for you that will allow you to download. You go ahead and save that report. I'm going to show you how it looks like, right? We're going to open it, and I'm just going to go ahead and send it to Michelle. Why not, right? And look at this beautiful, elegant report. You got the intrinsic value report here. You got the, company. You got the ticker symbol here. You got your inputs, 80, 508, 23 growth, 23%. And you got your recession, bear, base, best case. And obviously our beautiful, when it was generated on, and our branding. Incredible, just very incredible. And this is for the classics view. When you go ahead and send it, right? You can also send them just for base or bull, whatever you want to do. But you see how beautiful that is? We're going to just go ahead and send that to Michelle and bother her, right? Okay, great. So now that you have this, now let's exit and let's go back to home, right? And let's go back down, like I said, to the Al Stock Trades mobile terminal. But this time, we have the financial data and analytics metric chart. Yeah, you heard that right. You have access to this now, right? On the mobile version. So you go in and let's say you want to look at Clove again, right? You go and look at Clove. And then now you have the beautiful table here. You have a horizontal. You can see exactly the full 10-year. You can hit the equations to see what equations, the definitions and formula. You can highlight it so you don't lose track. You could scroll down here and look at this beautiful graph. It highlights when it's turned positive on the free cash flow, right? And it's you can zoom in, right? Let me go ahead and just redo that for a sec. I went ahead and accidentally hit backspace, right? But again, look at this, guys. So you have access to this, and then look at this. You have your AI summary on the bottom. You can see here free cash flow turned positive in 2022. You see how beautiful that is, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at Tesla, right? You look at this, and you look at the AI summary, and you can see free cash flow turned positive in 2019. Net income turned positive in 2020. Incredible, right? So let's scroll up right now, and let's go back to Tesla. I'm sorry, Clover. Again, I'm so tired. And then now, let's hit Enhanced AI Analysis. Yeah, you got that right. Now you have access to the Enhanced AI Analysis at the palm of your fingertips, and it's beautifully illustrated. Let's scroll all the way down. Look at this. What did net income improve by? Well, 79.84%. Just incredible way of just looking at this data. For our generative AI add-on monthly subscription members, we will be inputting this into the AI model soon. As of right now, if you click on this, access is restricted for normal mastering members. This is an add-on service for only available for lifetime access members, right? But you can see how beautifully functioning this chart is. I mean, just let's just close this now and let's just go ahead and let's ungraph these and graph the revenue, right? Just look how elegant this is. Very smooth, incredibly smooth. Let's go ahead and hit another stock, UnitedHealthcare, right? Look at this. We hit extended history. Now you have UnitedHealthcare since 1985, right? You scroll all the way down. Look at the AI summary. Look at that. You see that? It tells you when it turned net income positive and what have you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of AL stock trades. I'm very excited to bring this to you. There'll be more updates in the coming months. We will be slowly transitioning into creating a mobile version for all of you so that people from all over the world can get access to this data. Now, here's the thing. Let's go here and type in the Alibaba stock. Immediately, you see it converts it from USD to CNY, right? If you don't recall, it used to be USD. So let's go ahead and reload this, right? And let's just retype in CLOV. Oopsies, typed in the wrong thing. You could see it was USD. And it does the same thing for the intrinsic value. Very excited for this. Let me know what you guys think. I can't wait to see what you find. God bless you all.